Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 9th of July 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.08%, settling the day at 39,344.79 while Nasdaq ended the session at 18,402.34 rising 0.27%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 41,267.86 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,476.84. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,387.50, indicating a flat to negative start for the Indian market. FII bought 60.98 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Quant AMC reports net outflows of around 2,800 crore rupees in the last week of June, the first time in 6 months. Nestlé India shareholders approved the continuation of payment of royalty at the existing rate of 4.5% to the parent firm. RBI data showed that India added 2.5 times more jobs in FY24, the highest since 1981-82. Now talking about global aspects, a rally in chip stocks lifted the Nasdaq and S&P 500 to record highs. China hopes the European side will show sincerity, push the consultation process forward, and reach a mutually acceptable solution as soon as possible. WTI settled at $82.17 a barrel, down 0.19%, while Brent settled down 0.08% lower, to $85.61 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.72. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.277%, up. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. On Monday, the Indian stock market saw declines in major indices driven by poor quarterly sales from Titan. The Nifty index closed at 24,320.55, while the Sensex finished at 79,960.38. Sector-wise, oil and gas, consumer goods, and energy sectors saw notable increases, whereas PSU Bank, metals, pharma, and consumer durables faced substantial declines in trading activities. Outlook for the day: the Nifty currently has significant support around the 24,100 levels. A breach of this support could lead to a further decline towards 23,800 levels. On the upside, the index encounters strong resistance near 24,400, close to its historical peak. A close above 24,450 may push the Nifty towards 24,600 levels. Consolidation is expected with resistance at 24,400 to 24,500 and immediate support at 24,200. Sustaining above 24,250 is crucial for further gains towards 24,500 and 24,600 levels. Bank Nifty recently broke out of a rising channel pattern 2 weeks ago and has since displayed consecutive bullish weekly candles, maintaining its position comfortably above the breakout level. On the upside, the index encounters strong resistance near 53,200, close to its historical peak, while 52,000 will act as an immediate support zone. A close above 53,200 could ignite further buying momentum, potentially pushing the index towards the significant resistance level of 53,800. Stocks on radar are RVNL, RCF, NFL, FACT. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.